Good morning from KL. We are at the Exchange TRX. So over here, this is our first time. Yeah, my first time also. It's very new.
And this mall is just opened in end November this
Weeks
year.
ago.
Since we are in KL, we are going to explore this mall today. And
For the whole day. We'll
Yes.
be here for the whole day.
And we came here on the Friday. We saw that actually the crowd hasn't been that much this morning. And we are going to have 3 meals over here.
Breakfast, lunch, or maybe high tea and dinner. More than 3 meals. Maybe.
Okay, and maybe we are going to explore also like some shops in the mall and then see what's nice things to get over here.
Yep.
Without further ado, let's go in.
Bye. See you later.
Gucci? Wrong? What could this be?
We are going for the Chinese bakers, one of the
Famous bakery.
famous bakery in KL.
Very hungry.
Yes. I hope the food is good.
I hope we can get in soon. Finally seated. Number 4.
Peach strudel
This is mushroom pie.
pie. Yeah, mushroom pie.
So black.
The sauce is black also.
Be careful, we're wearing white.
Oh, sorry. It's truffle mushroom pie.
Oh,
Very nice.
drinks here. Ice dirty latte and ice shaken honey oat latte. So big, the big breakfast. Some we ordered with beef bacon. What's this fried thing? Oh, hash brown.
With a mushroom.
Wow.
Huge. I need by this.
What's inside? Oh, gherkin, cheese, beef, roast beef. No, just one layer lah, not the third one. You want the top one or the bottom?
Some. The cream is very nice. First order this. He is struggling to finish. Just acting like he can eat double. The sun is killing us.
Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. This is the roof. The roof, not the roof.
No, the park level.
The park level at level 2 or level 3?
Level 3.
Yeah. Let's just do a quick exploration around this place. Let's go.
Wow. You see the queue?
Oh, Canberra man.
Oh, no wonder. See Lumpur. how to say in Japanese?
Kuala Lumpur?
Like Lumpur.
Lumpur? I don't know. Still haven't opened. Oh, so this one something like pavilion. It's like past outdoor, but not outdoor. A lot of shops haven't opened. Why Gentle Monster so long queue?
You want to go in first?
This 全部过来是拍那个牛哎。Yeah.
Do you want to ask this now? Let's queue for the food or just inside?
This is the most famous cow in Malaysia.
No, it's not cheap.
Nice. See? Brown shades.
Let's try the blue one. That's the one. Nice. Nice.
Quite nice. Special color.
Can I ask for recommendation of
又花钱了。
blue one?
The fox?
What does the fox say? The smell of Lululemon.
Tommy.
Tommy love one.
Ray-Ban. Seibu. Armani Exchange. Last time I saw the Armani Exchange outside, they have this very big logo.
MLB. Later we go MLB.
What eh? AX. Found it.
It's extra S already. Double X.
XXS.
Double XS.
Yeah lah, XXS, right?
Yeah. It's like my S size. Oh, nice. And enjoy the view from the top to the bottom. The sky tree above. Oh, we got MLB first. Should be this right?
The brown one. How much?
510 is how much?
510.
I want that. Oh my god, watching for real nice. Not your size? What size is this? USA. 630. It's very special. I like it. It's like blueberry. You go back Singapore and buy.
Where are we going now?
We're going for food. Thai
Cafe.
tea again. Not again. Today, Thai tea. Because Thai tea. Okay. Because I am hungry again.
So fast hungry.
We spend a lot of energy to shop.
You don't even shop a lot.
We help our friend to shop. 很大走都走不完了。I think here is bigger, larger than Mid-Valley City.
Possible.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, almost there. Givenchy. Long. Okay lah, I think it's moving quite fast.
Hopefully.
I'll turn soon.
We become first in the queue. Not sure, still need to wait for how long? Now it's 337. Okay, thank you. Two again more. I rather order this.
This is so big. You see the corn chocolate?
What do you want?
$63. Oh, inside got 6 cookies. Then the 83 got 9 cookies. Coffee bean. Matcha latte, cafe latte, chicken katsu sando, and
Fox cookies.
original vanilla.
8 ringgit. Kapis.
What does the fox say?
So let's see. My matcha. Very bitter. Quite bitter. Let's try the
Cafe latte.
tastes like in Japan. I'm in Japan now. Later we go Café Supermarket. What is true? No, I cannot see. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Let's continue to shop.
You want to shop again?
Maybe.
Going to Seibu.
Dragon?
Yeah.
Fat dragon. Long long. This one not bad. Well, the HLS store here is totally different. The business here is very good.
Oh, I saw it. Seibu.
A lot of food here. I think made in Malaysia.
Atendo MY. Wow. Thank you. Atendo. They say this one is from Singapore, but I never tried it in Singapore before.
It's at Tanjong Pagar. Or everywhere they open a lot.
Ooh.
Oh,
Very
bun.
soft. Yeah,
Soft cream bun.
it's whipped cream.
Soft cream bun.
I like it.
Buy more. No.
So huge.
So one box is like 2 containers.
Oh.
350. 3 for 50 ringgit.
Mikan. Wow. You see this pair? So huge. It's bigger than my fist.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
You want to try this 35 or 50?
They're so big, the 50.
Really good.
Wow. This is also so pretty.
Oh my god.
Wow. Just now we had the tester, is very sweet. The texture almost like jelly.
This one,
This one, the first one. Wow. but you still need to cut yourself. 40 ringgit, hey, this one cup. Very nice, huh? The most expensive orange we ever bought.
In a cup, 40 ringgit.
Benima Donna.
Very juicy, very smooth, very soft, very fragrance, very sweet. It's really sweet. You can ask for the sample tasting from the friendly staff if you want to buy.
They do sell the uncut fruit also.
We're lazy to cut, so we buy the cut fruit. The third one, 8 pieces in a cup. So one piece is
5 ringgit.
5 ringgit one piece. Wow.
Last piece.
The juice is 2 ringgit. Drink.
Very nice.
Ooh. Edible? Okay. Yes, I try
Wow.
the one whole bar.
Wow, 130 ringgit each. And this one, if
it's
you have,
quite worth it actually.
if you have house party, you can get this kind.
Wow.
So pretty.
Included the container. Can we
Wow,
buy?
that one I don't know. Wow.
Very fancy cake. 100% chocolate. Buy.
Oh, I think next time we can buy. Supermarket next.
We wanted to buy water,
But in the end, we buy orange.
but yeah, I'm not thirsty anymore after the orange.
Fresh. And
Not fresh ice cream.
can eat raw. 11 ringgit each.
Even sushi bar.
Oh, stonefish. They sell stonefish here. Oh, this is the
Per piece? So cheap.
Oh my god, they even have this skin medai. Oh. The flying fish, you see the fin? And barracuda. Oh. This Wagyu. Oh. And here udon. Is that tepan? Oh, tepan. Tepannya fish. Okonomiyaki.
Special for okonomiyaki.
Ooh. drinking bar here. Hey, don't forget our purpose coming here. Ah, water, water.
I've already forgotten.
The 3 ringgit spritzer. That's not really big, ma. It's not even 1.5 or 125. Okay. Finally, our water.
This Taylor chips. If you can see Taylor Swift,
Buy
in Singapore,
Taylor.
you can buy Taylor chips. Oh, but chips, sorry.
Chocolate. The cat. Let's go up and see what is another floor of Seibu. So there's a champagne bar, and on this floor, this ground floor, it's mainly perfume, cosmetics, international brands of perfume. Going up another floor. Comme de garçon. Wow. Ooh. It's on 360.
I'm not really sure.
Supreme. There's a price there, huh?
2,000.
Jacquemus. Oh. But it's only the apparel, I think.
Different style. It's like beer and soft drink.
Oh. Coffee lounge. One more floor. Oh?
It's like Adidas. And super. Black Shiba.
Looking cafe. Mori Coffee.
Shall we try this?
simple.
This time for dinner.
We can search for some food now.
Let's go.
Going to basement.
Yeah, let's go to the basement. We haven't finished walking.
Wow, you see the basement here is so huge.
We look around. Dayone. Their noodle is nice. They make their own noodle.
Another supermarket here. So blue. Day one noodle. Interesting. So the exchange at TRX of course must be good exchange, right?
The first KT in Malaysia. Wow, so long queue. We'll see.
Okay, let's try day one noodles.
Very famous in KL. They make their own noodle.
Oh. Looks nice, huh? This?
Last time I tried this set, roll mian.
Roll mian.
Yeah, basically a roll with the noodle long.
And then with extra topping on the side, is it like for the set?
Yeah. See which side you want to choose. This also not bad. Suyo.
Eh, this is the mian xian.
Yep. Obvious choice. That rice. Scrambled egg.
Omelette. Hot pot. Okay, we'll decide what to order first and show you later. The dessert looks interesting also. They also have toast. Tired of. Want to sleep. Oh, we ordered the extra noodle for free. Mine with the 炸鸡扒 fried chicken chop.
Let's try the soup.
Yours is with the what? Taiwan 酥扒, Taiwan pork chop.
Hot chop.
Then grapefruit punch and 菊花 chrysanthemum tea.
The soup is very nice. It's like a home cooked soup.
Oh, then I should try the soup later, eat the noodle. Okay, let's eat. The noodle looks very chewy, very QQ.
This is their signature chew noodle.
The soup is really very nice. Put some. Wow. Hey, it's not that big actually. Or is it mine normal?
It's normal.
Oh. Oh. 好吃啊。
Of course, I recommended one.
它的 chicken chop。 Very crispy. Very nice.
Let's try the pork chop. Is it fried? I guess yes, with some sauce. Fried with sauce on top. Very nice. Very tender. Salty. Very salty. So you must eat with the noodle. With noodle is perfect. We finish our food first and ciao.
The tissue also very cute. See, finish, clean. The noodle very nice. Highly recommended if you are in KL. Okay, so we have completed our mission to have
3 meals here.
in TRX.
All are very nice.
Yeah, the first one is Kenny Hills.
Yeah, Kenny Hills in the park. Don't
Yeah.
go to the wrong one because there are a lot of Kenny Hills here.
There is one at the basement, one at the Seibu.
Seibu. Both inside Seibu actually. One basement, one like level 2 or 3.
Yeah, so just make sure that you go to the level 3 in the park.
Yeah, not the Seibu one.
And then
Then
second meal is at Café Kitsuné.
yeah, Café
That's
Kitsuné.
actually just a tea time.
Yeah, high tea there. But the cookies is very nice. You can try.
Yeah, it's a bit pricey.
Sando also very nice.
It's a bit pricey, but you can go for the experience and try that.
But for
Yeah.
the coffee, you can ask for extra shot. I guess because it's quite light, the coffee.
The third one is day one noodle. And it's only available in Klang Valley area, which is like in their IG they put there is in KL and PJ area.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended. The noodle is really. It's my first time, but yet I'm mind blown that the noodle really very tasty.
So we actually spent more than half day here. Still,
Yeah, we cannot complete.
we cannot complete walking for the whole mall. I think you need to spend like more than 1 day here. It's really huge.
Yeah, we don't even go into like the luxury shop to take a look. We don't even go into the Uniqlo and Muji.
Yeah,
It's just
we're
like
very
selected
tired.
shops. Yeah. So factor in some additional time if you really plan to come here and explore. Alright, so we'll end this video here. Thank you for watching till the end. Remember to click like,
Share and subscribe.
for more videos.
Thank you. Bye bye.